They broke up with you, young lady, because they were no longer in love with you. That one is the brutal truth. They were no longer in love with you since day one. If you see someone breaking up with you, you did not do anything wrong. Just let us end this. She was not, or he was not in love with you. That's number one. Don't beg or use money or pray. No, don't do that. That's not, just know that he was not in love with you since day one. Number two, when someone break up with you, or when a man break up with you, instantly, it's because he did not have future with you. He don't have future with you. So he see future in someone else, but not you. That's why he saw an opportunity, he saw something, and he saw future ahead, and he said he no longer need you. That's why when you see a man breaking up with you, you did not do anything wrong, you did not abuse her, you did not cheat on her. She suddenly just say no, it's over. He did not love you since day one. Remember that one. Number three, if you see a man suddenly break up with you, but you did not do anything wrong, he has someone outside. Yes, he has someone outside who is giving him happiness, who is giving him joy, who is giving more love than you. So the weight is up. So he no longer need your effort, your love, and your support at all. That's why I'm saying love is not by force. Love is not by favor. Love is a natural thing. You love someone who love you. As a young lady, don't beg. We have a lot of men outside here. When someone start to behave like a Bluetooth, leave her. Just leave her. You'll find the right guy, the right man of your life, and God will bless your relationship. God will bless your marriage. Don't assume the red flags in the relationship. When you see your boyfriend is not calling you, is not calling you. In fact, your boyfriend should be calling you early in the morning, evening, lunchtime. He is not supposed to tell you he's busy. No man is busy when he loves a girl or a woman. That is true, and I'm telling here from the village. I'm telling you here from the village. If you are a young girl and you have been heartbroken, God have saved you. God has a good plan. God has an opportunity for you. He's just waiting for the right time. If someone has just heartbroken you, he's showing you good things which are coming to you. So just be patient. Just be patient. Never force anything. Never force anything. Don't call him. Don't beg him. Oh, please, babe, let us reunite again. Let us make things work. Things will not work. If a man decided to leave you, it's over and it's over. He will no longer love you again. He loves someone else. He loves someone he loves. So don't stress yourself. Don't get into depression, to drugs. You'll end up wasting your life. You will end up messing your life. You'll end up falling down, and it will be so bad to you. My name is Benson Sila. I'm here on YouTube to motivate people. If you have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. If you're a subscriber, if you are returning subscriber, thank you so much. Let us comment and share. Let us meet to the next one. Don't chase love, don't force love, because love is a natural thing. We are here to love each other, not to force each other. Thank you.